What's up, guys? Bruno Aponte here, back with another tutorial. Super excited to be here with you guys. This week we're breaking down in Photoshop as usual, and today's design is based on what is probably going to become a series of portal design artwork. So this one's pretty similar to last week's, but there's a twist. You guys are going to see a connection to one of my all-time favorite movies in this. Spoiler alert, I'm not a fan of the new series. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get right into it. Alright guys, so that's it for this week's video. Drop a comment down below, like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you guys don't miss next week's video. Hopefully you guys learned something from it and enjoyed watching this. You know, this was one of my most favorite movies as a kid growing up, so I just wanted to make something a little bit more of my style in today's time. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to catch you guys next time. Peace.
Bye.